Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by standing on the board with your back foot on the tail and your front foot near the bolts, your weight slightly centered. Once balanced, push off lightly and set a comfortable rolling speed. About walking pace works best. Plant your front foot on the tail edge, then hop and slide your back foot off to the side to pop the board. You will use that motion to free the tail. Keep knees bent and eyes on landing as you prepare to commit. Once you have the basic pop, practice the timing of the back foot kick. Shift weight slightly forward as you hop, and flick the tail outward with the side of your shoe to guide the board into a vertical flip. Make sure to retract the kicking foot quickly so it does not stall the spin. Meanwhile, bring your front foot back toward the bolts to catch the board. Repeat in short drills, focusing on rhythm and consistent pop, and vary speed to find a sweet spot. To land cleanly, spot the board and prepare to absorb impact by bending both knees as you descend. Make sure to land over the bolts for stability. Roll away with shoulders aligned and weight centered, and commit to the trick. Hesitation causes miscatches. If you under-rotate or the board slides out, immediately bail toward the side away from traffic and practice lower speed reps. Troubleshooting tip: if the tail sticks, check shoe contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.